Hi students, in previous lecture we have seen sign of a polynomial of degree 2. That is, when f of x contains only two linear non-repeated factors, we have seen how to find sign of that expression, that is for what values of x it is positive and for what values of x it is negative and for what values of x it is equal to 0 we discussed. That is, for a quadratic expression, if it has roots for what values of x that expression is negative, for what values of x that expression is positive and for what values of x that expression is equal to 0 we have seen. If it has a real roots means, say if it is alpha comma beta we have seen, and if it has a complex roots, then sign of that expression depends on coefficient of x square, that also we discussed in detail. Once again, in a nutshell I will explain. Suppose say f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, and if discriminant greater than 0, then it has a real roots, say roots are alpha comma beta, and now this can be written as f of x is equal to a times of x minus alpha into x minus beta, and if you take a greater than 0, then this quadratic it open upwards we have seen if it is alpha and if it is beta. Between the roots it is a negative and outside the roots it is a positive. Therefore, f of x greater than 0 implies x belong to minus infinity comma alpha union beta comma infinity, and f of x less than 0 implies x belong to alpha comma beta. That is, between the roots this f of x is negative and outside the roots this f of x is greater than 0. And if it has a complex roots, if you take f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, if it has a complex roots means when discriminant less than 0, that is either it may be completely above x axis or completely below x axis, it is when a greater than 0 and it is when a less than 0 we have discussed. If it has a real roots means it cuts x axis, if it has a complex roots means it neither touches nor intersects x axis. Therefore, whenever coefficient of x square positive it open upwards, coefficient of x square negative means it open downwards. Therefore, if it open upwards means it is clear whatever the value of x you take it is always positive, and if it is coefficient of x square negative means because this lies completely below x axis, whatever the value of x you substitute it will be always negative only. Therefore, here we can write f of x greater than 0 for all x belong to capital R, and here we can write f of x less than 0 for all x belong to capital R. That is, whenever it has a complex roots, sign of this f of x depends on coefficient of x square. Whenever a positive and d less than 0 means this expression positive for all x belong to R, and whenever a less than 0 and this discriminant less than 0 means f of x less than 0 for all x belong to R. These points already we have discussed, and we will see when expression has more number of factors. That is, when it is a product of 3 factors, 4 factors and so on, And also for rational functions means when it is of the form f of x by g of x also we will see, that is slowly we are moving to find a method of intervals. Now an expression f of x equal to x minus 1, x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now let us see for what values of x this expression is positive, for what values of x this expression is negative, and where it is equal to 0. Of course, zeros of this polynomial are x equal to 1, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. Therefore, f of x equal to 0 at all these values, at x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. Okay. Now, observe this, because these are the zeros, mark these zeros on real line. Here it is 1, here it is 2 and here it is 3. Observe this. As we have already seen discussion, when it has only two linear factors, x minus 1 into x minus 2, and complete detailed discussion we have seen there. Here you see, what are the possibilities for x? X may be less than 1, or it may be between 1 comma 2, or it may be between 2 comma 3, or it may be greater than 3. Now, if I take x somewhere here greater than 3, x greater than 3 means x greater than 2 and x greater than 1 also. If I take x greater than 3, that implies x greater than 2 and x greater than 1 implies all these factors, x minus 3 positive, x minus 2 positive, x minus 1 positive. Because all these three factors are positive, if I take product of these, x minus 3 into x minus 2 into x minus 1 greater than 0, that is f of x greater than 0. Therefore, here for all the values which are greater than 3, it is positive for this. And next, if I take when 2 less than x less than 3, what will happen is, if I take somewhere here x means x greater than 2 and greater than 1, but of course x less than 3, I can write x greater than 1, x greater than 2 and x less than 3. Therefore, x minus 1 positive, x minus 2 positive and x minus 3 negative. Observe this. Out of these three factors, two factors are positive and one factor is negative. The moment if you multiply these three, that implies x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 will be less than 0. Therefore, between 2 to 3, what is sign of f of x? Sign of f of x negative. Here I am getting negative. And next possibility, x may be between 1 comma 2. For this we have seen discussion. When 1 less than x less than 2, if I take x somewhere here means it is greater than 1, but of course it is less than 2 and less than 3, x greater than 1 and x less than 2 comma x less than 3, that implies x minus 1 positive, x minus 2 negative, x minus 3 also negative. Now see, out of these three factors, this is positive whereas these two are negative. Product of two negative factors are positive and this positive, any of all these three factors product if I take x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 greater than 0, that implies f of x greater than 0. Therefore, when 1 less than x less than 2, here that sign of f of x is positive. And last possibility is when x less than 1, somewhere here it is. If I take when x less than 1, when x less than 1 means it is obviously less than 2 and less than 3, that implies I can write x less than 2 comma x less than 3. Therefore, x minus 1 negative, x minus 2 negative, x minus 3 also negative. Because all three factors are positive, negative. Their product if I take x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 also negative, that is f of x less than 0. Therefore, when x less than 1, here the product of all these means f of x sign is negative. Observe this. Again I will draw this real line. Let me mark here it is 1, 2, 3. Our expression is x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Possibilities for x we have seen may be less than 1 or between 1 comma 2 or between 2 comma 3 or greater than 3. Extreme right we have seen, if x lies somewhere here means x minus 3 positive, x minus 2 positive, x minus 1 positive, here complete it is positive. Extreme right side of all zeros when it is of the form x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma and so on, that extreme right sign of that expression is a positive. And the moment if I take next one, it is 3 extreme right 0, sign between 2 comma 3 if I take it is negative. Because if I take x somewhere here means x greater than 2, greater than 1 positive, this factor will become negative. Therefore, this negative factor multiplying these two will give negative sign, here it is negative. And the moment if you take x here it is somewhere, it will be positive because here it is a positive factor. X minus 2 and x minus 3 both are negative, and if you multiply two negative factors positive, and if you take x less than 1 means all these three, x minus 1 negative, x minus 2 negative, x minus 3 negative, all these three will be negative only. Product of those three factors negative, it is minus. Therefore, finally if I want to write collectively values of x for which it is a positive and for which it is a negative. Therefore, see, f of x greater than 0 if I want, that implies x belong to positive between 1 comma 2 and 3 comma infinity, x belong to 1 comma 2 union 3 comma infinity, and where it is negative f of x less than 0 means x belong to, here you see negative when it is less than 1 and between 2 comma 3 minus infinity comma 1 union 2 comma 3. And of course, where it is equal to 0 implies x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. But one thing you notice that I have taken powers of these linear factors x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, 1 only. X minus 1 whole power 1, x minus 2 whole power 1, x minus 3 whole power 1. One more with power only we will see. Next we will go to the expressions where powers of these linear factors more than 1, maybe 2, 3, 4 and so on. That discussion we will see first once if you are comfortable with this. So what you do, observe all the roots of this expression and mark on the real line, means in ascending order, on real line means extreme right always positive, and next followed by negative, positive, negative and so on you can write. Now write the intervals where f of x positive and f of x negative, and here where it is positive between 1 comma 2 and 3 comma infinity positive, and where it is negative minus infinity to 1 union 2 comma 3 it is negative. We will see one more problem. X minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 7 greater than 0. Right. I want values of x for which it is greater than 0, or simply they will ask find the solution set of this. Right. Exactly like previous case only. Here how many factors are there? 4 factors are there. Write the zeros of this one. What are the zeros? 1, 3, 4, 7. Of course, ascending order that only. Mark all these on real line. Yes, here it is 1, here it is 3, here it is 4, here it is 7. Extreme right means after 7, because it is of the form x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma and so on. Extreme right always positive, take plus sign here. Why plus sign? Blindly we are not writing. If you take any value which is greater than 7, suppose say 10, all factors will become positive only. 10 if I take positive, 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 product of all these 4 factors will become positive only. Therefore, here it is positive. And the next possibility between these if you take, you will get negative sign. Why negative sign? Between 4 to 7 if you take any value, suppose say 6 if I take, the moment if you substitute 6, it is positive, it is positive, it is positive, it will become negative. Because of this negative, multiplication with this will become negative, therefore here negative. And next between 3, 4 if you take positive, why? Because these two are positive factors it will become, and these two will become negative, product of these two negative will give positive, therefore total value of that expression will be positive, and here it is negative with same reason, because x greater than 1 positive, all these 3 are negative factors, product of these 3 will become negative, and here it is positive, because whenever if I take x less than 1 any value, all these will become negative, product of 4 negative factors will become positive. Therefore, if you observe, powers of all these are 1. Higher powers we will discuss in the next case. Right now I am discussing with only when power is equal to 1. Extreme right always positive, followed by negative, positive, negative, positive, and so on you can write. Now, I want values of x where it is greater than 0. Therefore, x belongs, where it is positive you see? Here, minus infinity to 1, between 3, 4 and 7 to infinity, x belong to minus infinity, 1, union 3, 4, union 7, infinity will be the solution. Very easy to write this one. And next, one more I will take here. If I take f of x is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 3 into x plus 5 into x minus 7 if it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 factors are there. Right now we will see what is the sign of this one, where it is positive, where it is negative and where it is equal to 0. Observe this, what are the zeros? Minus 2, 3, for this 0, minus 5 and 7. Write in ascending order, minus 5 is the least, next minus 2, 0, 3, 7, and take real line and mark all these on real line. Here I will take minus 5, minus 2, 0, 3 and 7. Because powers of all these are one extreme right positive, next negative, next positive, next negative, next positive, next negative. That's all. Now I want values of x for which f of x greater than 0. Where it is positive, here it is positive, here it is positive, after 7 also positive. That implies x belong to minus 5, minus 2, union 0, 3, union 7, infinity. And next, if I want values of x where f of x less than 0, f of x less than 0 where it is x belong to minus infinity to minus 5, minus 2 to 0, 3 to 7, minus infinity comma minus 5 union minus 2 comma 0 union 3 comma 7. And where it is equal to 0? Yet the zeros of the polynomial are roots of the equation. That implies x is equal to minus 5, minus 2, 0, 3, 7. That's all. Very simple to write sign of this expression. X plus 2 into x minus 3 into x plus 5 into x minus 7. Write zeros of that polynomial or that expression. Write in ascending order and mark on the real line. Extreme right always positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative and so on. And collect the intervals where it is positive and where it is negative, that's it. Now let us consider f of x equal to x minus 2 whole square into x minus 3. Every one of you please observe. I will take x minus 2, x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole cube. If I take real line, if I take x equal to 2, at x equal to 2, this value will become 0, this value will become 0, this value will become 0. Suppose if I take value greater than 2, it is at x equal to 2, x greater than 2 if I take. Greater than 2 means any value if you substitute, it will be positive, it will be positive, it will be positive. Because suppose if I take 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 whole square, 5 minus 2 whole cube. If I take x less than 2, suppose if I take 1, negative. If I take less than 2, this is negative only, but power of this is 2, it will become plus. And here whole power 3, negative whole power 3 means it is a negative only. Observe this. This is the key point in wavy curve method. All the time your powers of expression need not be 1. Maybe higher powers, maybe 3, 4 and so on. Our discussion is when power of any linear factor is even, what will happen, and power of that linear factor is odd, what will happen. You see this. So here in fact I can take 1, here it is even, here it is odd, here also it is odd. Exactly at x equal to that 2, all these will become 0 only. And when x moving from left to right of this root x equal to 2, when power odd means the sign of this will be from negative to positive. And x less than 2 means when power is odd, this is a negative, and when power is even, positive only. So what you need to observe here, when power of x minus 2 is odd, either 1 you take, 3 you take, you can observe 5 you take, 7 you take and so on, sign of that factor changes from negative to positive. And when power of that linear factor is even, then sign of that sign for that factor will not change. Left side of 2 it is positive only, right side of 2 also it is positive only because of even power. Even if I take x minus 2 whole power 1000, at x equal to 2 it will become 0, and at x less than 2 it is positive only, x greater than 2 also it is positive. Therefore, if power of this is even means sign will not change at x equal to 2, and when power is odd, sign of x minus 2 will change from negative to positive when you go from left hand side values of 2 to right hand side values of 2. What are the zeros of this polynomial? X is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3, and you mark on the real line, here it is 2 and it is 3. Observe this very carefully. At x equal to 3, if you take, that is extreme right, it is positive only, no doubt. And between 2 comma 3, if you take value which is less than 3, which is less than 3 means because power 1 sign change, here it is negative. Suppose if I take 2.5, 2.5 means it is positive, it is negative, positive into negative means it is negative. Now, less than 2 if you take, what will happen? Less than 2 means whatever the value if you take, suppose if I take 1, 1 minus 2 it is negative, whole power even means this will not change sign, it is always positive only, whereas it is negative, here also it will be negative only. Therefore, when x is going through the values of 2, that is, when x takes the values which are less than 2 or greater than 2, x minus 2 whole square sign will not change. Sign will not change. Therefore, because x equal to 2 if you take, the values which are less than 2 if you substitute or greater than 2 if you substitute, sign of this factor will not change. Therefore, total this one sign will depend on x equal to 3 only. 3 plus means it is positive, and values which are less than 3 means it is negative. Even here also it is negative only. Therefore, what I can write here? If I want x values for which it is f of x greater than 0 means x greater than 3, and f of x less than 0 means x less than 3 I can write. But of course, one thing you observe, if I want to draw a curve which we call it as a baby curve, here positive to negative, but of course here it will not cross. At x equal to 2 it will become 0, and this curve will remain same in the same side of that x axis. Therefore, here it is negative, here also it is negative. If I want f of x greater than or equal to 0, now what I will write? It is x greater than or equal to 3. But of course, it is equal to 0 at x equal to 2 also. Union x is equal to 2 I have to write. Therefore, closed interval 3 comma infinity union set 2 I can write. Therefore, complete these values, and 2 also will be the solution of greater than or equal to 0. Now observe, if I want to write the values of x where it is positive, where it is negative, and where it is equal to 0, you see. I want values of x where it is greater than 0. Where greater than 0, after 3 only complete, that implies I can write x greater than 3, that implies x belong to open 3 to infinity. Open 3 to infinity because greater than 0. Next, observe this carefully. If I want f of x greater than or equal to 0, see, yes, including 3 to infinity, but not only that, even at x equal to 2 if you substitute, this will become 0. You have to take care of this point, that is x greater than or equal to 3 and x is equal to 2, that is x belong to closed 3 to infinity union, it is only one number, I will write set 2. 3 to infinity union set 2 will be the solution for this one. Similarly, if I want f of x less than 0, f of x less than 0 means complete for all these values, minus infinity to 3, but you need to check at x equal to 2 it is equal to 0, but I don't want 0, it should be less than 0, minus set 2 you have to take. From these values minus infinity to 3, at x equal to 2 it is becoming 0, and I am writing values where it is less than 0 implies you need to subtract this 2 from this interval, or this can be written as x belong to minus infinity comma open to union open 2 to 3. This also correct only. What is the meaning here? Minus infinity to open to 2 is not there. Union 2 to 3, that 2 excluding 2. This can also be written as in this way, or I can write here. And one more, if I want f of x less than or equal to 0, either 0 or negative, that implies I can write x less than or equal to 3 implies x belong to minus infinity comma closed 3 I can write. Hope you understood this one. I have explained when power of a linear factor is even, what will happen. Power of linear factor even means at x is equal to that 0 means at x equal to 2, sign of that expression at that 0 will not change. Suppose right side positive means left side will also be positive. Right side negative means left side of that 0 will be negative only. That is, here you see 2. Right side I observed negative, therefore left side also it is negative only because of even power. Sign will not change at x equal to 2. If you find right side it is a positive means left side of that 2 also will be positive only. We will see one more problem. Now, I want values of x where x minus 1 whole square into x minus 3 into x minus 4 whole cube greater than 0. Now, observe this. Power of this linear factor is 2, even. Here 1 odd, here 3 odd. Means you need to observe. If power odd means at x equal to 4 it is 0 only. Greater than 4 positive, less than 4 negative. That is, at x equal to 4, right side of 4 positive and left side of 4 negative means sign will change at x equal to 4. At x equal to 3, because power is odd, sign will change. And at x equal to 1, if you see, right side and left side, the sign of this will not change. That if you observe, you can easily write the values where it is greater than 0. First observe the zeros. Zeros of this one, 1, 3 and 4. Observe this. Right. Let me mark here it is 1 and here it is 3 and here it is 4. Extreme right side, always it is positive only because it is of the form x minus alpha, x minus beta and so on, no problem. Because power of this linear factor x minus 4 is odd, at x equal to 4 right side positive means left side negative. Why? Because if I take 5 minus 4 whole cube positive, of course it is positive because this x whatever I am taking greater than 3 and greater than 1. And if I take between 3 comma 4 means 3.5, if you take because of odd power it will become negative. Of course it is positive. No problem with these two factors, only with this factor. Because of odd power, right side plus left side negative means if you take values of x which are less than 4 negative, greater than 4 positive, therefore sign changes at x equal to 4. Next, 3 if you take, because power of this 3 is odd, that is 1, even here also sign will change. Here negative means here it should be positive. Suppose if I take 3.5 it is positive, less than means suppose if I take 2.5 it will be negative. No problem with this, and negative and here it is positive means sign will change. And next, at x equal to 1 if you see, if you take 1.5 or 2 if you take whatever the value, if you take 2, what will happen? 2 minus 1 whole square positive. Of course it is negative, negative into negative positive. Either this side if you take, this side if you take, no problem with these two. Same, I mean negative both are. 1 plus means if I take it is positive. Even 1 minus if I take, what I will take, if you take 0, what will happen? 0 minus 1 whole square means positive. Here also it is positive. Because for that particular linear factor, if power of that factor is even, sign will not change at x equal to that 0. That point you need to observe. Because right hand side or left hand side if you take, values of this factor will be positive only because of even power. Now if I want to draw a rough, curve, we call it as a wavy curve. Here it is positive, it is negative, it is positive, and it will not cross this x axis, it is positive only. So if you observe, power of that linear factor is odd means the moment if you want to draw that wavy curve, it crosses x axis, and from positive to negative or from negative to positive it will move. Whereas if the power of that linear factor is even, then that wavy curve will remain on the same side of x axis. Once it touches x axis at that 0, and again it will lie on the same side only. That is positive means positive, negative means negative. That point you need to understand very carefully, and it is not very tough thing to understand. It is a very easy thing only. Because of even power, you take either right side or left side, sign will become same only. Even if it is less than 1, because of power it will become positive. Greater than 1, obviously it is positive only. This is the sign scheme. It is the wavy curve when you draw that one. Now I want values of x where it is greater than 0, you observe. If I want greater than 0 means you collect the intervals from this diagram. Where it is greater than 0 means complete here to here it is positive only. But of course, here it is 0 and from here also it is greater than 0. Therefore, what I will write, you see, x belong to 1, I should not write 1 because at x equal to 1 it is 0, I want greater than 0. X belong to minus infinity comma 1 union 1 comma 3. This one also open interval I am writing because if you substitute x equal to 3 it will become 0. I want greater than 0. Union next from 4 onwards I will write open 4 to infinity because 4 should not be included as it is greater than 0 right side. Or otherwise, I can write this as x belong to, I will write complete from minus infinity to 3. Minus infinity to 3. Observe what are the values must be excluded from minus infinity to 3. Everywhere it is a negative only, but of course at x equal to 1 if you put it will become 0. That value should not be there in this value. I mean set, I will write minus set 1 union, and here of course it is 4 to infinity only. Or I will write minus infinity comma 3 union 4 comma infinity minus set 1 also I can write. Right. Suppose on the same graph, if I want x minus 1 whole square into x minus 3 into x minus 4 whole cube greater than or equal to 0. Now write all the values where it is greater than or equal to 0 I want. Greater than or equal to 0 means complete either 0 or positive, complete till here 3 and from 4 to infinity. Therefore, solution set is x belong to minus infinity comma 3 I will write close, even 1 included. Why? Because at x equal to 1 it is equal to 0, I want equality is there. Union, what are the other set of values you see? From 4 to infinity, 4 included. Therefore, union closed 4 to infinity I will write. This is the values. Suppose if this expression x minus 1 whole square into x minus 3 into x minus 4 whole cube less than 0 if I want. Yes, less than 0 means where this wavy curve lie below x axis you see here only. Here means from where 3 to 4. Yes, I will write x belong to open interval 3 comma 4. Because less than 0, 3 should not be included, 4 should not be included, just x belong to 3 comma 4 I can write. If it is less than or equal to 0, then I must have included both 3 and 4 in that one. Hope you understood this discussion. Let us take one more problem of this type only and we will see that. We will handle one more problem of this type. X plus 2 whole power 5, x minus 3 whole power 6, x minus 1 whole power 3, x power 101 into x minus 5 whole power 200 into x minus 7 whole power 57 greater than or equal to 0. This is the problem. X plus 2 whole power 5 into x minus 3 whole power 6 into x minus 1 whole cube into x power 101 into x minus 5 whole power 200 into x minus 7 whole power 57 greater than or equal to 0. Let us see what are the values of x that it will satisfy. First observe this, what are the zeros of this expression? Minus 2, 3, 1, 0, 5, 7. Let us write in increasing order. Minus 2, 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. Let us mark all these on real line. Minus 2, 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. Now observe this. What are the expressions whose powers are even? Powers are even means yes, it is this power x equal to 3 means even power here. And next x minus 5, here also even power is there. If power of any linear expression is even, means at that point both sides of that 0, sign of that expression will be same. Positive means positive, negative means negative, that you need to observe. 7. And remaining all are odd only. For -2 means it is whole power 5, 0 means whole power 101, 1 means whole power 3, and 7 means whole power 57. For all those power is odd, only powers of the expressions where it is odd, x minus 3, where it is even, x minus 3 whole power 6 and x minus 5 whole power 200. Now, see this. Because it is of the form x minus alpha, x minus beta and so on, extreme right always positive. Only one thing you see, at that 0 means x minus 7, power of that factor, is it even or odd? Yes, x minus 7 power odd. Therefore, sign will change from positive to negative. There is no doubt in it. We have seen 3-4 problems of that type. And next, at x equal to 5, observe power of that factor x minus 5 whole power, x minus 5. X minus 5 whole power 200. Therefore, sign will not change at x equal to 5 because x minus 5 whole power even is there. Here negative means here also negative. Next, x equal to 3 if you take means x minus 3, even here also it is even only, sign will not change, minus means minus only. Right side minus means left side also minus only because of even power of this x minus 3. And next, it is odd power means negative to positive. Here odd power means positive to negative. Here odd power means negative to positive. This is the sign scheme. If I want to draw wavy curve, yes, here extreme right positive, next negative. It will not cross because of even power. This curve will remain in the same side, and again at x equal to 3 it will not cross the curve. It will not cross x-axis, remain same. Yes, it will cross, it will cross, it will cross. It is our wavy curve. Now, I want values of x where it is greater than or equal to 0. Observe where it is greater than or equal to 0. This portion, and this portion, and of course it is equal to 0 at x equal to 5 and x equal to 3 also. You should not forget these two values because I want equal to 0 also. Therefore, solution set is x belong to minus infinity comma minus 2 closed because equal to 0 is there. Union, here it is 0 to 1 both closed. Union 7 to infinity. Of course, union other values are there where it is equal to 0 at x equal to 3 and x equal to 5. I will write set 3 comma 5. You should not forget to write these two values. Here I have written set, not interval. You know the difference between set and interval very well, because set means only these two values 3 comma 5. Yes, it is equal to 0 at x equal to 3 and at x equal to 5 only, not between them. So only I have written set 3 comma 5. Therefore, these are the values of x where it is greater than or equal to 0. Only greater than 0 means I must have taken minus infinity to minus 2, union open interval 0 comma 1, union 7 to infinity. Hope you understood this one. Now we will see this problem. 2x plus 1 whole power 7 into 1 minus x whole power 4 into x minus 3 whole power 5 into x minus 5 whole power 6 into 7 minus x whole power 11 less than 0. Here one thing we observe. Usually you try to write your factors in the form x minus alpha into x minus beta. Even if it is alpha minus x, by multiplying with minus sign, you make it as x minus alpha, so that our sign scheme, writing of that sign scheme or intervals will become very easy. Observe this. No problem with this. Here it is 1 minus x whole power 4. It is not x minus 1. No problem with this. Here also no problem. Here you observe. It is 7 minus x whole power 11. Because here power even if I write 1 minus x power 4 or x minus 1 whole power 4, there won't be any problem. Even you can write x minus 1 whole power 4 also. Whereas this one, if you want to write x minus 7 whole power 11, means that minus sign will come outside. It will become minus of x minus 7 whole power 11. So now what I will do, I will multiply this factor with a minus sign to make it as x minus 7 whole power 11. When you multiply with negative sign, means that inequality will get reversed. That is, whenever minus x less than 0 means, you know that x will become greater than 0. Therefore, that I will do here. It is what 2x plus 1 whole power 7. Here I can write it as x minus 1 whole power 4 because of even power 1 minus x whole power 4 or x minus 1 whole power 4 will not make any, sign change. Will not make any difference. Here it is x minus 3 whole power 5, x minus 5 whole power 6. Because I multiplied with minus sign here, it will become x minus 7 whole power 11, but of course greater than 0. One must be very careful here. See here, whenever 7 minus x less than 0, if I take minus common, it will become minus of x minus 7 less than 0 only. Now I have not multiplied with any negative sign, outside is there. Now I am multiplying with my negative sign, x minus 7 greater than 0. Even if I take power 11, whole power 11, minus outside whole power 11, now multiply with minus sign means x minus 7 whole power 11 will become greater than 0. Therefore, now for this expression, you write for this inequality means left hand side if you take, write zeros. What are the zeros? Minus 1 by 2, here 1, here 3, here 5, here 7. Yes, it is in ascending order only. Take a real line and mark all these zeros. Here minus 1 by 2 is there, 1 is there, 3, 5 and 7. Now observe. Yes, extreme right always positive, put plus sign. Observe power of x minus 7 x minus 7. Observe power of x minus 7. Is it positive, even or odd? Odd. Therefore, sign will change. Plus to minus. Power of x minus 5. Even, sign will not change. Minus and minus only. X minus 3 whole power odd is there. Sign will change here positive. X minus 1 whole power 4 even is there. Sign will not change. It is x plus 1 by 2 only if you take 2 outside, because factor for this 0 for this 2x plus 1 equal to 0 means x equal to minus 2 we have written. Therefore, because power is odd, plus means it will become minus. Hope you understood how to write these signs. Now wavy curve. Here same sign, curve will be in this one. Here also same sign. Right, this is what wavy curve. Now I want values of x where it is positive. Observe it, complete here it is negative. This is positive, negative, negative, it is positive. Just greater than 0 I want. Therefore, what are the values you can collect? You see, x belong to this interval. What is the interval? Minus 1 by 2 comma 1. Open. Union 1 comma 3. 1 should not be included with it because at x equal to 1, it will become 0. 1, 2, 3. Next, union, it is 7 to infinity. Because from 7 onwards, it is positive only. It is a way how you can write, or you can write solution set of these inequalities. And now we will see if it is of the form f of x by g of x greater than 0 or less than 0, how to find the intervals, or how to find solution set of a rational function of the form f of x by g of x. We will see. Hope you understood this one. If you are comfortable with this one, that f of x by g of x will become very easy. We can do it. Today also we have seen problems on this wavy curve method only, but when it is of the form f of x greater than 0 or greater than or equal to 0, less than 0, less than or equal to 0, and when powers of those linear factors are even and odd, when it is product of 2 factors, 3 factors, 4, 5 and so on, we have seen. In the next lecture we will see the inequalities of the type f of x by g of x greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0, less than 0, less than or equal to 0. That is for rational functions, how to find, solution set of those inequalities. If you are comfortable with these, those will become very easy for us. Okay, till then take care. All the best. Thank you.